In our third exercise, we're going to take a slightly different brainstorming approach to help you grow the list of products that you've come up with in the previous exercise. This time, let's focus on a high-level goal of your audience and consider what would be their next step to help achieve it. You could map this all the way to the point that they achieve that goal, but start small and work your way up. Again, we're using the example niche of small business owners that are just starting out on their entrepreneurial journey. And let's say that a high-level goal they have in mind is to build and run a successful business making $5 million in revenue per year. This is where deep knowledge of your niche is vital. In order to come up with product ideas that will work, you need to have enough understanding of your niche to come up with potential high-level goals that your audience can relate to. Now that we have a goal in mind, let's then break down all the steps our budding small business owners might need to take to accomplish it. As always, check out the link in the description for a template you can use. A first step they might have could be as simple as finding out what kind of businesses have a fair chance of being able to make $5 million per year. Once that's clear to them, the next step would be to consider which of those align best with the skills they already possess. Then the next step could be to think about how much they can commit to the business. Keep brainstorming these steps as far as you can, ideally until the goal is achieved. You'll find as you do this that some of these steps are difficult to find Amazon products for. It's okay if you run into the same problem when you do this exercise, because as you can see in step 7, we eventually found a step that could be addressed by products available on Amazon. Regardless, mapping out your audience's goals like this will also help you get a better understanding of what's going through their minds. You can use this improved understanding to write more relevant content that they'll be more likely to engage with. Now that we've broken down all the steps that need to be taken to complete the goal, consider the steps that can be achieved with products you might find on Amazon and start adding any that you find to your list that you started in the previous exercise. By now, you should have a pretty lengthy list of products that could genuinely help your audience. It's worth noting that these exercises are not just limited to helping you find relevant Amazon products, they are also useful to help you identify needs that are not addressed well by existing products, or potentially needs where there are no products at all. If you do find any needs like this, you might consider making your own product that better addresses the need you found. Needless to say that this is its own can of worms, so check out the link in the description for further reading on how to build your own products from scratch. Great work so far. In the next section, we're going to take the list you've built and start narrowing it down to the point that you have a hero product that you can start producing content for. See you there.